1 month after a devastating tornado hit two suburban towns, the community looks to rebuild.
And families are struggling to recover. Elizabeth Matthews has more tonight on those efforts. Elizabeth.
According to this tornado hit just after 11 o'clock at night on Father's Day. Miraculously, no lives were lost. 11 people were injured, more than 200 homes damaged.
At first, this two-story home just needed a new roof, windows, and siding. We went inside it just after the tornado struck.
The damage is more than we thought.
Fast forward 1 month, and crews had to rip all the drywall out of Annie Sum's house due to mold issues.
Overwhelming. People say, well, you get people taking care of your house, you have a brand new house, blah, blah, blah. You cannot imagine.
And just down the street, an insurance nightmare where they're still waiting for construction crews.
It took them more than 1 month to look at our quote.
They still have a hole in their bedroom ceiling.
They gave us a very low ball offer, which is also something we found in common when talking to our neighbors.
The flattened house on Princeton Circle now all cleaned up, revealing just the foundation. And next door, Katie Longpiper's windows still boarded up.
And I live in Vegas. You can't tell what time of day it is, so we just call it Vegas.
Her backyard, once a private oasis, now a public park open to all her neighbors. But she shares a life lesson with us.
Everything can change in a moment. And you need to respect that and keep moving forward and find the happy spots of your life every day.
Good advice there. Do you guys remember this beautiful treetop angel that flew through the air? It was found about a mile from the tornado-ravaged area. Well, that owner still has not come forward, but if this is yours, make a post on the Neighborly Naperville Facebook page. Also, a bit of good news. The elderly couple that rode the tornado out in their bed in that flattened house, they were hospitalized. We are told they are now recovering very well.